What's up, everybody? So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. It's essentially the same as using Zoom. Um, what you do is you just type in meet.google.com, or you can search up Google Meet, and then you'll click on, if you want to start a meeting, if you like to host a meeting, you click on new meeting. um, you can start it now. You can schedule in the Google Calendar, which kind of relates to the other video, where you can set a date for it and then you can go directly from your calendar. Um, or you can just create a meeting for later, like say you want to create one for 5 o'clock p.m. tomorrow. You can just set that up. Or you come here, you enter a code or link, you type it in, and then you hit join. Um, Yeah, and that's really it. It's once again it's connected through your Google account, and thank you all for watching.